Blessed love, greetings. I hope everybody's fine. So welcome back to my channel. I'm willywheelz, record producer and musician. So today I want us to do a quick beat breakdown. I created a few Irie kind of a beat by Rakedobe. So those who are on this channel, I create a lot of Rakedobe styles because I was so much inspired when I was growing up listening to their music. If you're new to the channel, stick around. This is what we do. Tutorials, beat breakdowns, plugin reviews, and a lot of things. Let's get it without wasting time. This is the template. These are the sounds that I used. I used mini grand for piano. I use hybrid for the pad, piano support. This is the pad that I use. I like to use this pad for these sounds, and this is where I get it. And again, I have this sound from muted plugs, flex, extension packs, and also blast sections from flex again, trumpet from flex again, and drums, my samples, and then I played guitars because, you know, reggae, you can't do reggae without playing guitars. And when you're talking about the legends reggae, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, all these people, and like a dub, say live, they were doing live. Yeah. Okay, so this is how the drum goes. So this drum is the swinging kind of, and the hi-hat, this is how I create the hi-hat. Then you can just add the with this one here. Just like having the mentality of a drummer, it can help you come up with good drumming. It doesn't matter. That's why with me, when it comes to reggae music, the music that has a lot to do with live playing, I manage still in FL Studio or any other DAW because of the mindset that I have. Alright, so that's how the drum goes, and then there is a piano. So listen carefully. There were certain, this is the wah that I added. This is the wah that I added. It just plugs here and there, but there is the piano bang here, which goes like this. There is another piano from flex again. So you can see how much I'm using flex plugin nowadays. So that's the progression, and this is how I play the piano bang. Okay. There is the piano support. It goes like this. Yeah, so that's it. And then there is the chicky. This is the guitar one. Okay. So you can achieve this if you have a wah pedal properly. You can achieve much better than this. But if you don't have wah, you can just still play around. I don't have the wah pedal, but yeah, I'm still managing the things that I need. So yeah, that's it. Okay. So then there is the mute guitar. Actually, it plays like this. Yeah, so it's the same, you know, it's just the same. That's it. And then we have the bass guitar, which goes like this. Yeah, so this is how I play the bass. And then the trumpets here. So this is the trumpet sound. The same I just duplicated. And then the same sound. That's all. Then there is this wow again, which does here and there. You can see. Yeah, from Flex. So this is the pack here, JIT, raw and wow. Yeah, so that's it. Then yeah, the drum rolls at the beginning. So yes. Yeah, I chose to use this one. I just decided to use because this is also my plugin provided to me by Mr. DK. Sound Premium. This is a very good plugin I reviewed some time back. If you want this plugin, you can purchase this plugin. There is a video specifically, I'll try to put it in the link below so that you can watch regarding this plugin. Yeah, it's a very good plugin for reggae. It has got a lot of good. It has very good sounds for reggae. So if I'm not using my samples, sometimes I use this drum. You know what I mean? There is this one and Nyabingi drum. You can purchase these drums if you want them, using my link just to support me, you know what I mean? Yeah, and then yeah, that's all. Yeah, this is how I played. Then yeah, I just routed everything on the mixer, and I was doing some kind of mixing. So yeah, thank you so much. Let's listen to the whole bit. So basically that's how it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Leave it in the comment section. What kind of video do you want me to bring? I'm still working on the drum sample pack that I can give it to you guys. Yeah, if you want production service, you can contact me. You can also follow me on my WhatsApp channel. I share a lot of free stuff there. Plugins mostly. Those plugins are legit. They're not even crack. I don't do crack things. I share sites which offer good free plugins, so you can join there to have to benefit. If you are just a beginner, you want to try something, that is a better place to be saying. Yeah, you can also join YouTube membership for exclusive content. So I'll leave everything in the comment section below. Yeah, blessed love. One other thing, someone has been asking me about vocal presets. I'm going to create that template like for mixing vocals. I'm working on it as well, so just be patient, stay tuned, so that I can bring you something that you can at least use for some time, especially for beginners. Yeah, because that's how it is. Blessed love.